Hello, my name is Ed Combs, and I will be your professor for Business 16, Personal Insurance. I really look forward to working with each one of you in this course, and my hope is to get at least one of you to develop an interest in insurance as a career. A little bit about me. I was born in Washington, D.C., and all of my education was on the East Coast. My work career is all in insurance, but what I really love to do is to hike here in California. That's a great picture of the Santa Monica Mountains. And I love to follow the Cleveland Indians baseball team, baseball has been a strong interest of mine over all the years. And finally, I just love reading spy novels. And so hopefully that tells you a little bit about me. I've been involved with car insurance. That career has spanned 4 decades. I started when Jimmy Carter was president of the United States, and I'm still working in the space with some insurtech startups. 7 years ago, the chairman of the business department took a chance on me to do an insurance, somebody who had never taught before, to do a course on insurance at SMC, and I've loved it ever since. There are 4 such courses. This one obviously is Business 16. I hope to see you in some of the others as well.